We're in the laundry room. Here's the drain line coming from the attic all the way down. 90, bracket to the wall, 1/2 inch PVC. Right here it tells you 1/2 inch PVC, so you know what type of glue to use. Another 90, bracket because it will be a high flow flushing water. 90 down to a Mr. Air Gap. This is the air gap. If there's backup in their sewage, the water will come out of there. We'll share the hole with the laundry clean out water.
You're putting one in the back after all. Her husband called, he wants one in the back.
90 at the top of the drain so he can get the pipe against the wall. Pipe against the wall so that he can add brackets to attach the pipe.
You finish the drain off and I'll get it.
Fast rinse causes the pipe to move sometimes and vibrate. This will allow that to stop.
Are you sure? I think we'll get it.
But Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, she's with me, and I just kind of do homework as I can. But
Adding a shutoff to the incoming water. Yeah. And that's the warranty that's in our presentation is for that brand.
Yeah.
That says if you have water hardness of 5 or 7 grains hard, it ruins the warranty.
Oh, goodness.
And if the PSI or pressure before it is out of range, it also ruins the warranty. So if the system's undersized, warranty's gone.
That come with it, but that's the blue glue. But you can only use that one with
Add primer, 5 to 7 twirls. Be sure it's clean and coated, and then add your glue.
And we're not using blue glue.
No, it's all
no.
pluggers.
This one right here is CPVC glue. They also have one that comes with it that you use for it, which is orange. But we don't usually get that one. We usually just get the primer and the red by itself.
Shutoff valve on the incoming water. A T on the outgoing clean water that'll be turned over to a clean water hose bib. This is your drain line attached to the wall. 90 to get it against the wall. Collars to make it pretty.
you should ask her.
What I'm
if
not
she can give her
understanding
a
is now we're putting another.
Well, he has to attach that shutoff, and he's going to add a T because they want a dirty water hose bib. So the dirty water is going to be the incoming water. When it's all done, you'll recognize it. So incoming water on the far left comes into a T for dirty water hose bib that will connect into the shutoff in the system. Out the system clean on the right with a T to go to clean water hose bib.
You want to get yours
And once again, there's your drain line.
fine?
Right.
Many friends as often.
Yep.
Yes, they're up in the attic.
Now, Clean water's up top, the dirty water's on the bottom, 90 out, dirty.
Soft water, and that's hard water.
Running a trench down the back because that's where the homeowner wanted it.
The back end, hard water. I don't know if you can see through the fence.